I'm Kyler, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your poly skid on your SnowStorm BLAST. So all the tools you're going to need are a 3/4 inch wrench and a 3/4 inch socket. So what I'm going to start by doing is taking the tension off this spring. So I'm going to pull the pin and then lower the spring lock. Now the leaf spring has no tension on it. Next thing I'm going to do is loosen these 5 bolts. Then you'll pop all your bushings out. And your skid is free. Now to put a new skid in, you're going to take your new skid, push these springs back, then get it to where you can put your bushings in. And then pull your bolts back through. Then you're going to want to tighten these all the way and then loosen them until you can turn this bolt with your fingers. Because if these bolts are too tight, they will not allow the bushing in there to rotate, which will then keep this skid from having its full range of motion. It'll get sticky. That right there is good. And you don't have to worry about these coming loose because they have lock nuts on the other end. So it's okay that they're a little bit loose. Then you'll tighten your spring tension back up. Now you're good to go.